Hello everyone, in this module we are going to learn about light. How do we humans perceive the things around us? We have 5 senses that help us to interact with the world around us. These are sight, hearing, taste, smell and touch. Eyes help us to see things, ear help us to hear sound, smell with our nose, taste with our tongue, and sense of touch is provided by our skin. Of course, all senses are important, but the sense of sight is the most important. Here are some interesting facts. We perceive almost 80% of the world around us by using our sense of sight. We see objects around us with our eyes, but then why don't I see these objects in the dark? The answer to this question is light. We are able to see these objects around us because of the light coming from these objects. The light from these objects travels in space and reaches our eyes. When it's dark or during night time, as there is no light, we are unable to see these objects clearly. Some objects can generate their own light. Sun, fluorescent bulb, burning candles can generate their own light. The objects generate their own light are called luminous objects. Almost all of the objects which come across can't generate their own light. Table, chair, wall, paper can't generate their own light. Such objects can't generate their own light are called non-luminous objects. If objects cannot generate light, then how we are able to see them? We are able to see them because of the reflection of light. These objects reflect the light into our eyes. What light are they reflecting? Where is the light coming from? This light is nothing but light coming from the luminous object. We are able to see non-luminous objects because they reflect the light of luminous objects falling on these surfaces. That's why we see the objects. In the daytime, we are able to see white clouds, green grass, blue sky because the light coming from the sun is reflected by them and traveling towards our eyes. At night, we are able to see the moon because it's reflecting the light coming from the sun. Moon is a non-luminous object and it can't generate their own light. Most of the objects as we come across with our daily life are non-luminous. We only see them because they reflect the light. Thank you.